Hello there, lovely peoples. Welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjati, where we keep you updated with all the latest happening in the education world. And today we have some exciting news for all the CBSE principals, teacher, counselor, student, and parents out there. The CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education is organizing a series of virtual workshops for CBSE principal, teacher, counselor, student, and parents. This program aligns with the objective of National Education Policy NEP 2020, emphasizing the importance of comprehensive counseling in the education system. The program aims to ensure the professional development of school leaders, teacher, and counselor in the area of career and psychosocial counseling, and to facilitate students and parents in the career decision making process. This will be a series of 5 virtual workshops focusing on each stakeholder per week. It's specially designed to provide the participant with holistic approach to career advising and decision making process. Let us see the schedule and registration detail of virtual workshops. The first will be conducted on 3rd July 2024, timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is meant for school principals and leader. Topic of the workshop will be Principal Pioneer Charting New Territory in Career Counseling. Keynote speakers are Anil Srivasan, co-founder Crew, Ashwin Srisalan, founder AHAA. Registration link is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Second workshop will be on 10th July 2024, timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's meant for school teachers. Topic: Transformative Teaching, Integrating Career Education in Curricula. Keynote speakers: Dr. Ram Shankar, Director Training CBSE, Ganesh Kohli, founder IC3 Institute. Registration link for this is also given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. The third workshop will be on 18th July 2024, timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's meant for counselors. Topic: Navigating Career with Conscious Rethinking Counseling in School. Keynote speaker: Dr. Vishwajit Saha, Director, Skill Education, CBSE. Saji Varghese, founder, Sunbird Store. Registration link for this is also given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Fourth workshop will be conducted on 24th July 2024, timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's meant for parents. Topic: The Power of Choice, Empowering Parent for Informed Career Decision. Keynote speaker: Shri Himanshu Gupta, Secretary CBSE. Kiran Bir Sethi, founder, Design for Change and Riverside School in India. Registration link is also given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. And the last session is on 29 July 2024, timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's meant for teachers, for students. Topic: From Insight to Impact, Self-Reflection Strategies for Student Career Planning. Keynote speaker: Dr. Sayam Bhardwaj, Controller of Examination, CBSE. Karthik Krishnan, President, Purple Patch, New York. Remember, for this webinar, for students, we don't have any registration. Students are not required for any registration. But for all the 4 workshops, you need to register yourself separately for separate workshop. Then only you are going to receive participation certificate. Now, all of you note, all the concerned are encouraged to join the session live on WebEx or live stream on YouTube channel. Link for all the webinar will be updated on that particular day in my comment as well as in the description of this video. Certificate of participation will be awarded for principal, teacher and counselor workshop only to those who submit the session feedback form within 24 hours of the live session. I will update the feedback form again in the comment section on that particular day. For those unable to join such session due to unavoidable circumstances, the session recording will be available in CBSE official YouTube channel. All the principal head of a school affiliated to CBSE are requested to disseminate the information among their teacher, parents and students regarding this virtual workshop and encourage their participation. So what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar, spread the word to your friends and get ready for learning, growth and inspiration. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting update. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.